Welcome. In front of me I have Fossil Gen 6 FTW4066 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on the quick panel you should see the airplane mode icon, looks like the plane, and to enable the mode simply tap on the icon. You will see the message airplane mode on, the icon will change the color, and if you go back to watch face you will also see the icon on the watch face, which indicates that the airplane mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, open the quick panel, tap on the icon again, and the message airplane mode off will appear on the screen. The icon will go back to the gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the airplane mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.